Assalamu alaikum class 3. I am your science teacher. Unit number 2 bookwork. Filling the blanks to complete the statement. We can divide living things into two groups. Smaller groups of animals are called classes. Some animals have a hard skeleton made of bones. The backbone is made up of many small bones. All worms have soft bodies. Worms मतलब कीड़े. The starfish has rough skin with sharp needle-like spines. Spines कांटे. A spider has 8 legs and no wings. A butterfly has 6 legs and 4 wings. A crab has 10 legs and no wings. Crab मतलब केकड़ा. Animals with backbones can be divided into 5 classes. Choose the best answer. The body of a starfish is covered with spines. A snail has a shell covering its body. Worms have soft bodies. The middle part of an insect's body is called the thorax. Thorax मतलब सीना. Fish breathe through their gills. Amphibians live on land and in water. Reptiles have dry scales on their skins. Label the following diagrams. Head, फीलर. फीलर की मदद से इंसेक्ट महसूस करता है. टू आईज, टू कंपाउंड आईज, मुरक्कब आंखें होती है जिसकी मदद से देखता है. थोरैक्स मतलब सीना जिसके साथ पर और टांगे जुड़ी होती है. एब्डोमेन लास्ट पार्ट होता है. फिश, स्केल्स, फिन्स, गिल्स. आइडेंटिफाई द एनिमल. कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. कुछ हिंट्स है जिसके थ्रू हमने एनिमल का नेम बताना है. रफ स्किन विद शार्प स्पाइंस, स्विम्स विद 2 feet, इज स्टार शेप्ड. स्टारफिश. Small animal has 8 legs with many joints, no wings. Spider. Lives in water, has a backbone and breathes through gills, has scales on its body and swims with its fins. Fish. Lives on land and water, has strong hind legs, eats insects and plants, lays soft eggs in water. Frog. Dry scaly skin, breathes air with lungs, has a backbone, has no legs and eyelids. Snake. Body covered with feathers, has a sharp beak and claws. Beak मतलब चूंच, claws मतलब पंजे. Lays eggs with hard shells. Bird. Skin covered with hair, breathes with lungs, has a long nose, gives birth to babies. Elephant. Dear students, Allah Hafiz.